Hey guys, when you subscribe to my channel and become a Grind family member, you're going to get a chance to win some free money every time I receive 1,000 new subscribers. And all you have to do to get a chance to win this free money is be a subscriber to this channel, watch this video and all my videos all the way to the very end, and like every video and drop this comment down below, hashtag get your grind on. And once I reach 1,000 new subscribers, I'm gonna randomly pick a comment and that person is gonna win the free money via PayPal. So if you wanna get a chance to win some free money, subscribe right now. Now, let's get into this video.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $65 over and over on autopilot. Now, if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe today and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. Also, give me a like. And please drop a comment down below if you have any questions about what I'm talking about today. Now, I'm not going to waste you guys' time. Let me just go ahead and jump into this method. So please watch this video all the way to the very end so you won't miss none of the steps you need to take to earn $65 over and over on autopilot. So without further ado, let me hop into this method right now. So let's grind and let's get it. Okay, I'm on the internet and I'm at this website, and the name of this website is Shutterstock. Now, this website here sells stock images and videos. So what stock images and videos are, they're images and videos that individuals make and they sell them to other people for they can use them, you know, for their videos or whatever they want to put their videos and images on. They can come here and buy them. So when you go online and you're looking for images or videos, most of the time images, they're going to have a little label on there that says Shutterstock, and that means that you need to buy that image if you want to use it. You can't use it for free. So let me just tell you what this website is about first, and then I'm going to show you what you need to do to start making money from this website. So it has 1 billion plus downloads of images, video clips, and music tracks. Also, they have music tracks for people if they want to buy music tracks on here. 1 million plus contributors. So our world-class content comes from over 1 million contributors and 300 million plus images, a library of 300 million images with 200,000 more added every day. That's a lot. And 150 plus countries. So we have customers in 150 plus countries, and our site is in 21 languages. Wow. You're going to sell video. The reason why I pick video, because you can charge a lot more than images. So let me just pull up an example for you right quick and show you what you can do to start making money with a video that you put on here. So let me just go ahead and put this in here right quick. I'm gonna put traffic. So here's a traffic video right here. So as you can see, probably set up a camera on a tripod and it filmed traffic going by. Probably took like about 10 seconds to do. So you can do the same thing. You know, if you have a pretty good camera or you can even use your iPhone. Just you need a tripod, set that up, and film traffic going by. And then you can use some software called time lapse, or you probably have that on your phone or your camera. Use time lapse, and that'll speed up time, and you can film that. I mean, you can, after you film that, you just apply that software or that feature in the software when you're editing to the video. Now let's just scroll down here and see how much they charge. So if you film it in 4K, which is a very high quality form of recording, it's $179 that they're charging. So you can make $179 from your video if you have it in 4K. Now, if you have it in HD, you could charge $79. And if you filmed it in SD, that's $65. So you can start off from $65 all the way up to $179, depending on what did you film it in. So you can make some good money doing this. So you just do it once, put it up here, and somebody pay for that. That's automatic money coming in on Autopilot. And I suggest you do more than one video. You can do some more traffic videos or some nature videos or people just walking. You can film that. And so I suggest you put as many videos you can on here to make as much money as you can. So basically that's it about this site. What I'm going to do is show you another site that does the exact same thing, and you can also put videos on there and make money. So let me go ahead and go to that site right now. All right, I'm at the next website, and the name of this website is Videohive. As you can see here, they have more than 1,420,908 video effects and stock footage. So like they do the same thing as Shutterstock do. That's what they sell these type of videos and images on here, stock footages and images. Now, what I'm going to do is on this one, I'm going to look up people walking. Look up a video with people walking. That's another idea you can use as far as making a video and putting it on here. So let me go ahead and put that in here. Okay. Now, as you can see right here, they film just people walking. And again, it's like 10 seconds long. So that's a minute or two of work. You know, might take a couple of minutes, set up the tripod, put the camera on there, then film for 10 seconds of people walking, and you're done. Then you come to this site, put it on this site, and sell it. And as you can see here, this person is selling their stock footage for $82. So you can do the same or less. You know, you can use the $65 one. You can use $65 and sell it for that, and you'll probably sell even more because, you know, yours is going to be cheaper than his, this person's. So basically that's what you can do, and that's the technique. That's the method you can use to make some money on Autopilot using both of these websites. So if you want to go ahead and get started on this site, they also have images on here that you can make pretty good money on here too. So if you just want to take some pictures of anything else, you know, just images, you can also put that on here and make some money that way too. So if you're ready to go ahead and start making some money on Autopilot using this website, go to videohive.net. All right, so now you know the websites you can start using right now to earn $65 over and over on Autopilot. So go ahead and sign up with those websites and start getting this money. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to this point. please, before you leave, don't forget to hit that like button and help me to get like 100 likes. It really helps out my channel and helps out this video. And also drop a comment down below if you have any questions about what I talked about today. Also drop that comment down below if you want to get a chance to win some free money once I receive 1,000 new subscribers. And please share this all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online, especially people that has lost their job because of this coronavirus. And lastly, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. All right, Grind family, thanks again for watching my videos. I really appreciate you guys' support. And one more thing before I go, get your grind on, because the grind is real. Please check out some of my other videos until my next one come out. Peace and love, y'all, and get your grind on.